This is how mountains are formed. Two tectonic plates come together in the lithosphere and make the mountains come up with all the soil with them. This makes major mountain ranges, like the Himalayas and the Rocky Mountains. This is a beach. It doesn't look like it now. It just looks like a big cove, but later it will, from the ocean weathering away the sand and then eroding it somewhere else. It started out as a giant landmass and is now turning into a small beach. This is the Grand Canyon. It was formed by two tectonic plates coming together and rising out of the ground to make a giant plateau. A river then came through the Grand Canyon. This was the Colorado River. When it came through the Grand Canyon, it made it withered out, like you'll see in this picture. After that, the Grand Canyon got amazing landforms and it became what it is today. This is Mount Everest. It was formed by the Eurasian Plate and Indian Plate coming together and building the Himalayas, from India coming over and hitting Asia. This is how Mount Everest was formed.
Hi, I'm Robin Mann to talk about the world today. This is a drawing of the world. This is the crust, the outer part of the world. It doesn't serve much of a purpose. This next part is the mantle, right here. It is made mostly of the lithosphere and asthenosphere, which are basically the two sections of the mantle. The tectonic plates are on the lithosphere. It is also made up of mostly metals and lava. The next part of the world is the outer core. The outer core surrounds the inner core, which is basically the center of the world. The outer core is made out of melted nickel. So next we have the inner core. The inner core is made out of solid nickel, and that's the center of the earth. This is Robbie Manta talking about the earth. Hi, I'm Robbie, today to talk about the earth again. Today we're going to talk about erosion, weathering, and deposition. First, let's talk about weathering, because that's what comes first in the process. Weathering is the process of weather breaking apart materials. So, for example, say there's a big mountain, and you just think, oh, it's never going to stop growing, it's so big. Then weathering comes and just starts raining down on it, and all the rocks start falling and things like that start happening. Well then, erosion is the process that carries them away, using water and wind. That part sends them to other places. The last part is deposition, which places those materials or deposits them into those places. This is Robbie today talking about how this works. Hi, I'm Robbie today with the news about the world. Today we're talking about volcanoes and how they can form mountains. You can see how the plates split apart and the magma goes up and spurts out of the volcano. Whoa! So then next, the volcano forms into a mountain with all the leftover rock coming and hardening on the sides of the volcano. So, this is what the final product will look like after all the hardened rock has come and formed the mountain. That is the second way that mountains can be formed. The first is tectonic plates, but the second is volcanoes. This guy. All these sticky notes were in our movie too. This eraser. These whiteboards. This pencil was also in our movie. It's a pencil, yeah. These blank sticky notes were not in our movie, yeah. This guy drew everything, and he's drawing right now. Yeah. I'm the one who talked in the whole movie. Yeah. Thanks to these special accents. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Sticky notes. This guy is talking to us. This movie won't stop.